OMG Nation, you know what this is? This ring right here.
I had it attached right here. Well, when it was attached right here, there was one of those little bells on it.
I'm only telling you guys this because I want to prevent it from happening to you. If you have one of these little bells, and notice I don't have the bell anymore. If you have the bell and it's gone, or you think it's a good idea to hang it right here, it's not. Because you see this little dent? See this little dent right here? When this wheel is turned straight, I hit a bump, and this little thing hits and puts a dent in my fender. I have dented the Blue Ghost. So now I need a paintless dent repair guy. So if you're a paintless dent repair guy and you see this video and you live in the Franklin area, you want to come out, hit me up. It's very frustrating. We're going to get it taken care of though.
It is a few weeks later, OMG Nation, and I am headed down to, very slowly I might add, I am headed down to meet a guy in the city of Brentwood who may fix this dent in the Blue Ghost, and the Blue Ghost is front fender. If I can ever make it down there, it's literally a 8-minute drive, but 8 minutes becomes a lot longer when you're standing on the interstate, sitting still, and my feet are touching the interstate. Yeah, that's never good. Good news is, he's not expecting me for maybe 30 to 40 more minutes, and I'm just headed down there early. I think I can get in the HOV lane. I think that's what I'm going to do. I forgot that motorcycles can get in the HOV lane. Whoop, whoop, let's get in there. That means I gotta cross 1, 2, 3 lanes of traffic. I might just stay where I'm at. OMG Nation, I want to tell you guys this. I am blown away. So my link's down in the description. My t-shirt link. I am absolutely blown away. In the last 30 days, you guys have clicked that link 4,700 plus times in the last 30 days. In the last 60 days, you guys have clicked on that link to look at my t-shirts over 8,000 times. OMG Nation, I'm blown away. I appreciate each and every single one of you that give me support on this channel. As I've always said, I try to keep it positive on this channel. You can go anywhere and listen to the stuff that's just going to drag you down. Listen to the negative talk, so to speak. But here on OMG MOTO, the OMG Nation, I try to keep it positive for you guys. I want this to be a place where you can come and forget your woes in life, where you don't need the extra stress of my stress. The only stress I have right now is I'm standing still on the interstate again. It does get slightly toasty sitting out here. All right, let's see if I can get over to the HOV lane. All right, one more lane, and we got it! Wolfpack. Wolfpack 2. I want to know who you are, Wolfpack 2. Where are you from, Illinois? So look, if you happen to see, nice car by the way, if you happen to see this name on the side of your helmet, OMG MOTO, I was saying what's up to you guys. I don't feel like I'm going any faster in the HOV lane. I feel like I probably should have stayed in the on-ramp lane or the off-ramp lane. It depends on, I guess, how you look at it. If you're on the interstate, it's the off-ramp lane. But if you are outside of the interstate, it's definitely the on-ramp lane. Let me try that one more time. The on-ramp lane. There we go. Sometimes my mind gets moving faster than my tongue can handle. Whoa, look at these spikes. That's vicious. That's brutal, brother. But man, I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I got squirreled there for just a second. I appreciate it. I appreciate the the support, the support. All right, so now I guess I can work on my slow speed driving skills. Let's see how far I can go and how slow I can go without putting my feet down. Here we go, 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 here we go. Ah! And they're down. I was coming to a stop, so it didn't count. This time what I'll do is I'll pick my feet up and go real slow like. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, there it is right there, baby. Oh, there. Oh, whoop, 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 whoop. There it goes. Come on. You can do it. See that little diamond right there is the HOV lane, also known as high occupancy vehicles, also known as motorcycle lane. Unless I'm just completely out of my mind, but I'm pretty sure motorcycles can come out here and get in this lane. All right, now that we're moving, we're gonna pick back up as soon as I get down to the place where I'm meeting that guy to hopefully take a look at the Blue Ghost fender, and hopefully he can remove this dent in the fender. Fingers crossed, OMG. Oh, there we go. There we go. Fingers crossed, OMG Nation. Couldn't get my Indy Ridge gloves crossed. Oh yeah, these are the golden gloves by Indy Ridge. Links down in the description. I don't make anything off of them. Full disclosure, these dudes did send me these gloves and I think they're fantastic. I think you guys should take a look at them. Possibly get them yourself. But the golden gloves by Indy Ridge, they make a lot of gloves. Woo! Slowing down. Here we go. All right, I'll see you in a sec. I safely made it off the interstate. Now, what the heck? Is that a giant scarecrow? That's a giant scarecrow. Or a farmer or something. Can y'all see that? Okay, that's kind of cool. Which way do I can go this way and cut through all the red lights, or I can go straight. Either way, it might be the same. I'm going this way. Somebody's about to head to the lake. Do themselves a little wave running. Hey, so many of you guys reached out to me about last week's episode, Mr. One Up. It talked about how you knew a Mr. One Up. And then some of you guys said that you've never met a Mr. One Up. Uh-oh, does that mean that you might be the Mr. One Up? Maybe you should ask your friends if they've ever met a Mr. One Up. And if it's you! No, I'm just playing. Oh, man. But, for real though, I'm going to get over there if you don't mind, sir. Thank you so very much. Yeah, I'm in Brentwood. The big houses. So you guys take a look at this house straight ahead that I'm about to drive past. So all the folks in this area, especially the folks that live over in this neighborhood, tried to fight the people that were building this house because they said it was grotesque looking. It's just a modern, like maybe, I don't know, Florida style home or something. It's so, cracks me up how when people don't like something, you know, if it was something that they wanted, they're all for it. But it was something that they didn't like, that had nothing to do with them, that was just in their line of sight when they drove home. Now they try to fight it. Man, every time I come through here, they flatten the house and start building a new one. There's not going to be any of these old houses left for too long. Yeah, I'm glad I went this way. This is a whole lot better. Fewer red lights, less traffic, and I can come up the back way of the place I'm trying to get to. Alright, I got to pull up through here and see if I can find my guy. He should be in this parking lot somewhere. Let's see him. I don't see him in here. Maybe he's around back. I don't see him up there. Alright, don't see him back here. Alright, I don't see him over here either. I'll have to give him a call. Alright guys, so I'm up here with my man Alex, and he's going to, look right here, he's going to try to get this dent out of the Blue Ghost. Let me show you. No pressure. Oh, I already see it moving. The metal is just
real strong.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of worried about, because I knew this was different than the metal in the cars, which is kind of scary.
Yeah. It's coming along so far so good.
Oh man.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Look at this. He's more than halfway there. If you guys can see that, it's almost completely gone. This is some true talent, guys. To be able to do stuff like this right here. This metal is harder. Like we were just saying, this metal is a lot thicker metal than what's on cars and stuff behind us. And it's, you know, I just drove down here to where he was already working. And I've known him from about 2014 or 2016 or something like that. So, good man to have in your hip pocket, that's for certain. No, if you ever watch my videos, you'd be like, oh, well, that's just normal.
Yeah, not bad for what it was. There might be like a slight wave, but
Yeah,
I don't want to crack the paint by pressing too hard.
I got you. I appreciate that.
So how did it happen?
Pothole.
Oh man.
I hit a pothole and I heard something. I heard something real loud. And right here, I had one of those little bell things that hang down.
Right.
But the bell was off of it and it was just the ring. So when the fender came up, it hit that ring.
Right.
And I'm just glad it didn't
Right.
scratch it or chip the paint off, or I couldn't tell if there was a scratch on it at least.
Let's take a look. Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
That's like night and day.
Yeah, there's like a slight wave, but what it is, it's so sharp at that point.
Right, yeah. That's where that little
If
thing hit.
I try to dig it out, then that paint's gonna go. It's gonna
yeah,
crack.
I don't want that. That's perfect.
Yeah, there's a saying: "Quit while you're ahead."
Yeah. Cool. This whole thing right here I did for the channel. I mean, I didn't put the dent in it for the channel, but you know, when I saw a dent in it, I was like, that's content. Yeah, that would be kind of, I'd be whistling Diesel if I did that. You know, he destroys everything. Well, cool, brother. I'll see you.
All right, man, take it easy.
All right.
Wheels down.
Yeah, absolutely. We took the dent out. I'd say it's 99.5% out. Good dude right there. I feel a lot better. You know how when you got something's wrong with your vehicle, you feel like everybody in the world can see. Is that rain? You feel like everybody in the world can see it. That's kind of how I felt with this. Not that I care that anybody sees it. I just felt that the Blue Ghost was in pain, brother. But now the Blue Ghost, it feels like $1 million bucks. I think I should probably just jump on the interstate and roll it all the way back, because it is, oh, I should probably lock that down. So I guess that's my first accident, so to speak, in the Blue Ghost. I hit a pothole, the front fender came up, it hit the ring that was attached to the frame in the front and put a dent in the front fender. My man Alex took that dent right out, and man, let me just tell you guys, I'm very proud of it. It looks fantastic. He did a great job. He did me a huge favor because he doesn't have a business where he actually does stuff for folks. He contracts out to car dealerships, so you know, that's why I had to come meet him at a car dealership, and he did me a huge favor, guys. A huge solid, so to speak. But the Blue Ghost is whole now. It looks like it's about to, the skies are about to open up and it's going to pour down raining. That would be my second wet adventure in my Mohawk boots by Andy Ridge. But whoop, look at that pothole. Son, I just got it taken care of. I don't need another one back in there. This guy's got a bush in the back of his truck and I feel like it's shedding its leaves all over me. I'd hate for that bush to come flying up and smack me in my noggin. I just look for that 6th gear again. I don't know why I always look for the 6th gear. I guess I've just been on too many motorcycles other than the Blue Ghost. I'm sorry, baby. I got you taken care of today, though, Blue Ghost. That's right, baby. I guess one day I'm going to have to maybe add a 6th gear to the Blue Ghost just because can you imagine the Blue Ghost would be like, oh, yeah. At 70 miles an hour, I'm not screaming anymore. I'm relaxing. Okay, we're back to the sunlight now. It doesn't look like there's only one nasty looking cloud up here, so hopefully it's not going to pour down rain on me. Guys, I'm going to call it. I appreciate you watching today's episode. Hey, make sure you go down and check out the links in the description. And again, I want to thank each and every single one of you that have clicked on those links. When I get that email that says, you've had a lot of people looking, I appreciate it. Guys, tell me what your favorite shirt is. If you've been one of the folks, and there's been quite a few of you, if you've been one of the folks that have purchased one of the OMG MOTO t-shirts, the I Am American Made, the Ricky Baby, or the original OMG MOTO t-shirt, put it down in the comments. Tell me what shirt you bought. If you have not already hit the like button, reach up and tap that bell notification, shift gears on it, roll the throttle on it, whatever you gotta say. That dude is flying in a little Hyundai Elantra, brother. Please consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of the OMG Nation. And like I always say, all together now, keep it old school. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stall.
So guys, if you haven't watched the focus, then that won't
Say bye, Hardy.
Bye, Hardy.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.